Hey guys, Jordan here from the Dirt Diaries, and I wanted to try something a little new. I ordered my very first Loot Crate for the month of July, and so I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. I'm really excited because this month's theme was villains, and I love my villains. The Joker, Darth Vader, Harley Quinn, all of that fun stuff. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. Okay, let's go! They got a bunch of really awesome little drawings. There's my Harley. There she is. She's great. Oh, I can't. So excited. So excited. Ah, okay, so first thing here is a Darth Vader keychain, which makes me so happy because Darth Vader is my favorite. Love Darth Vader. So my keys are gonna be awesome. Next, there's Deadpool Socks. This is awesome. I'm gonna be rocking these as often as I can. Next is some sort of poster thing, I think. Oh my gosh, it's the Joker and it's Harley. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put this on my awesome wall of stuff. Oh my gosh, this is great. This is fantastic. I'm fangirling and freaking out so hard right now. Oh, next is a shirt. It says jokey, like the Joker and Loki. Oh, I'm gonna... Oh, so many awesome things. So awesome. What now? Oh, of course, the Loot Crate pin. It says July. Going on, I have a lanyard full of pins. That'll be there. And, oh, their booklet. Little villains booklet. Ah, this is awesome. This is so cool. It's a Bowser magnet and says, I want you on it. That's so cool. And Necessary Evil Supervillains of DC Comics. The disc. Made in Mexico, apparently. That's what it says back there. I will definitely gonna have to check this out. And last but not least, it's Rocket Raccoon with a Loot Crate. You see, he's got a little Loot Crate right there. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, that's awesome. At the bottom of the box it says Best Buds. Oh, this is so cool. Ah, alright. That was awesome. Makes me so happy. I'm so happy right now. I'm in like geek heaven right now. This is awesome. Okay, well, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go hang up the posters and enjoy all my cool stuff. Let me know what you guys think. If I'm not sure yet if this is gonna be a monthly thing, I might not. Who knows? We'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all soon. Love you guys.